Here we go. Oh. That actually freaking hurt my thumb. It's okay. Nope. Penalty cat. There's a cat. Transfer. Alright. Well, let me move. Ready? Yeah, go. Was a miss. Alright. Was that a make?
Yeah, made.
It was made! Alright, try to go for a really long one. Whenever you're ready. Well, that wasn't exactly an alley-oop, okay? Whenever you're ready. Apparently they are getting restless. They are rattling the chain. Andy, you suck. Alright, start from there. You can't do angles.
No.
Alright. How about you let me try. I'm gonna try. Yeah. Be careful. Alright, ready?
Go.
You still recording?
Yeah.
Alright. I am stuck. Oh. I hope you can edit that out, because that was kind of more embarrassing. You know what? Just keep it in there. It'd be a fun thing.
Didn't go in?
Women.
Okay. I can't tell the screen because it's like below it.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to close my eyes on this one. That's probably you do it.
I can't tell. I'm too busy looking at the fan.
Okay, well. Close my eyes. 1, 2, 3.
Nope.
Wow. Okay.
Nothing but air.
Nothing but air? Alright. Alright. Again. Start on the top. 1, 2, 3.
Nope.
Ah. I can't even shut.
Nope. Nope.
Okay. Alright. I'm apparently stuffing right now.
There we go. Nope. You could defend though.
James goes up. Let's wait for a shot.
How funny would it be if I did my Hawk Smash?
Yeah. Puck smash?
Yeah.
Alright, puck smash it is. How do you hawk smash?
You pull it from here, from that point,
Okay.
to that point, and you get it in.
Alright.
You then taunt and you say, Hawk Smash!
Alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, the boy has left the building. It is on the sidewalk and stopped.
Alright.
Okay, can she land the Hawks match?
Can she? Oh my god, motherfucker.
I have no idea what you're aiming
I
at.
was aiming at the damn thing.
Nope.
You do it.
Still going?
Still going.
You might want to send it a little over there.
Yeah. Didn't make it. I can tell just from the sound. Pretty cloudy, actually. Oh, that sounded like it hit something. And
It hit the rim.
hit the rim. And the damn ball's clean over there.
Then
We
use
get
this one.
use this one. Got the spell ball. Yes. There's a dog. Want to find her? Yeah. Yeah. And okay. Alright, I'm ready. I'm ready. That thing hit nothing but the building. Nothing but building.
Smash! The original objective for doing that is achieved.
Woo! Yeah.
Apparently the dog has flea.
Yes, it does have a flea. Alright.
What do you want to do now?
What can we do now? Oh, I know what we can do. Oh. There we go. Fourth toss in the miss. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3,
Or 4. Ready?
go. I won! Yay! Alright.
Anything else you want to do?
Since that was so anticlimactic, not particularly.
Okay, you can turn it off.